10 AI tools every entrepreneur needs in 2026. Now, if you're an entrepreneur in 2026, but you're still duct taping together random tools, guessing what to post, or doing things manually that AI could be handling for you, then you're already behind. So I put together a free PDF called 10 AI tools every entrepreneur needs to use in 2026. And in this video, I want to show you what's inside quickly, why I made it, how to actually use it, and not just download it and then forget about it, like most PDFs. But here's the reality. AI is no longer just cool technology. The entrepreneurs who are winning right now, they're not working harder than you. They're just using the right technology stack. Tools that can replace teams, automate workflows, and let solo founders like me and you operate real companies. This PDF isn't just theory. Every tool inside is something I personally use or actively recommend because I've seen what happens when founders try to scale without them. Inside the guide, I'll break down 10 AI-powered platforms that cover the core areas every entrepreneur needs: lead capture, follow-up, content creation, distribution, video growth, editing, community, monetization, building AI apps and systems without knowing how to code. I also include a bonus tool that turns one quick idea into content everywhere. Okay, so here's how to use the PDF. This part is important. Don't just read it like a blog post. Here's how I recommend using it. Step 1, read through it once, all the way through. Don't sign up for anything yet. Understand what's possible first. Step 2, identify one bottleneck in your business right now. What could that be? Is it leads? Is it content creation? Is it follow-up? Is it execution speed? Is it copywriting? Is it sending emails? Step 3, pick one tool from the PDF that directly solves that bottleneck and implement it this week. Not all 10 tools, just one. For example, if you need an all-in-one system to manage leads, messages, automations, payments, I'll show you exactly why platforms like Go High Level matter in 2026. If you're creating PDFs, slide decks, lead magnets, wasting hours on design in Canva, tools like Gamma eliminate that bottleneck entirely and way faster. If you're stuck guessing what content to post, break down AI tools that tell you what your audience is already searching for and help you publish them with confidence. Build actual AI-powered tools, web apps without being a developer or knowing anything about coding. I include platforms that make this possible. The point of this guide isn't to give you more things to manage, it's to remove friction between you and your workflows. 2026, the winners aren't people with the most hustle. They're the ones who simply implement faster, they automate earlier, and they compound smarter. So at the end of the PDF, I also show you what's next, where to go if you want deeper workflows, use cases, and community support around using AI to actually make money. This guide is just the starting point. It's not a finish line. You can download the PDF for free using the link below, grab it, read it through once, pick a tool, and implement it this week. And if you want more breakdowns, make sure you're subscribed on YouTube. The link is inside the PDF. I'm going to be walking through these tools step by step in future videos, and be sure to join my AI school community that I'm growing right now for access to me personally, to ask questions, get amazing free tools like custom agents that help you build offers, create content, answer DMs, close sales, promote affiliate links, write emails for you, repurpose content. I'll even show you how to clone yourself so you never have to sit in front of a camera ever again. AI is not replacing entrepreneurs, but entrepreneurs who use AI are replacing everyone else. So check out the guide and I'll see you inside the community when you're ready to start making money with AI.